Hello students, in today's lecture we are going to understand regarding the assumptions of law of Newton. So what are the things that should be constant? We are assuming that. We are understanding that while we are calculating the law of demand, these all things remain same. It will not change. So here they have specified the assumptions of the law of demand are: the first is taste and preference of the consumer remain unchanged. In the market, while you are applying the law of demand, at that situation the taste and the preference, that means the individual choice will not taste, they are preferring the same goods for the long period of time, so that is not going to be changed. And in this, if the price of commodity is changing and because of that the demand is also changing, then we can say that law of demand is applicable. Number 2, income of a consumer remain unchanged. If I am earning this month rupees 5,000, for the next month also I am earning the same amount, the income will not change of the consumer. And then also the price and the demand is changing, so we can say that it is applicable. Number 3, price of the substitute and complementary goods remain unchanged. I already explained you in the first lecture. Substitute goods means the alternative goods. Suppose now I am wearing the shirt, so the substitute of shirt is t-shirt, kurta, like that. So the top wear part, we can say that it's what, if I am saying talking about the shirt, then the t-shirts, kurtas are all the substitute part. And the complementary part is that suppose I am using mobile phone, the complement part is the SIM card, SD card. If I am using the AC, the complementary part is electricity. If I am using the car, the complementary part is petroleum products. So these are all the means if we are using one good, the other good is also essential for that purpose. So that part is complementary. These things, the substitute part and the complement part is not going to change in the market. Next is consumer do not make anticipation regarding the future price. We should not think regarding the future. If the price of the goods will fall, then we purchase. If the price of the goods will rise, then we purchase it. So that thinking should not be big. It should be the similar concept. And the last part is size of the population remains the same. The population of the country remains the same. Then only we can conclude the law of demand. If the price of the commodity is rising and the demand is falling, and if the price of the commodity falls, the demand will expand. So this part, in this situation, suppose the population is 130 crores. So for by calculating the next time of demand, it should be the same. It should not change. So these are 5 are the assumptions of the law of demand. The first was taste and preference. Second, income of a consumer. Third is substitute and complementary goods remain unchanged. Fourth is expectation regarding the future price, and the last is size of the population. So these 5 are the assumptions of the law of demand. So next are the exceptions. Exceptions of the law of demand, that means when the price of the good falls, its demand contract, and instead of expanding and vice versa, the price changes, create the demand to change in the opposite direction. That is indicates the law of demand. Since the exception of the law of demand are stated, so what is the exception? So now they have specified the exceptions. So in assumption you are keeping as a similar, and we say that if the price rise, demand fall, price falls, demand rise. But in exemption it is opposite. When the price of a good falls, demand will also fall. When the price of a good rise, the demand will also rise. This part we can say as the exceptions. So here they have specified the 5 exceptions. First is prestigious goods. Suppose the jewelry part or the expensive product, expensive car, if its price will fall, the people who are rich will not buy that goods. Because the status of the goods has fallen because of its price. Suppose iPhone is a standard product. The standard product price falls in the market. Many people will not purchase that product. Why? Because the demand is also cheap. Many of the people will say that middle class thinking will be as okay, we purchase that, it is now we are getting extremely low price goods. Suppose I can select pen or rubber. These all things, if the price may fall or increase, there will be no effect in that. Suppose if I am purchasing the pens, for rupees 10 rupees a dozen, if it is now 11 rupees. So demand will not change because it is a cheap product, very low price product. So in that situation, this will not applicable the law of demand. Number 3 is different goods. In different goods, certain goods whose income is depends upon the individual's income. If my income is increased, then also I will go to the superior quality of products. Here what they are specified is when the price of a certain goods while inferior goods falls and the real income of a consumer rise, he or she may reduce the consumption of such goods and substitute by the goods of the superior quality. These goods are named as a proper goods, whose name search observed and the extended cycle. Such goods are necessary goods are purchased by the low income group. For example, a person whose low income to purchase of the Jawara Bajar. When the price of the Jawara Bajar falls, the real income of the consumer tends to increase. Hence, he or she will reduce the consumption of a such good and purchase more of the good. Which is the superior goods? Another example of the vegetable he and the flower. So suppose if the price of a certain goods is false and if my income is increased, so I will move inferior goods to the superior goods. Now you are like, sir, what is inferior goods and what is inferior and superior goods? So inferior goods are of a low quality. So the quality is very well, superior goods are of a high quality. Suppose if I am preferring a shirt of rupees 100 and a shirt of rupees 300, there are two types of shirt. So 100 rupees shirt is of inferior quality and 300 rupees shirt of a superior quality. If this 100 rupees quality shirt has declined, I will not select that part, and if my income is increased, I will prefer to go for the 300 rupees shirt. Same way, if I am using the Vanaspati ghee, now my income is increased, so I will prefer now the pure. So that is the difference. So that is the difference, and it is derived from the one professor name was Robert Differt. And the last is special preference group. Some goods are we are required in a day-to-day life, such as toothpaste, we can say that brush, we can say that shoes. So if the price will fall or decrease, we require that types of goods. Suppose if the price of toothpaste is increased, so I will not brush my teeth. So that is not that part we are implementing the law of demand. If it is price is also increasing, the people will prefer that kinds of goods because they need it in the day-to-day life. If the price of the shoes increase, I will not wear shoes. So that's not going to happen. So for that purpose, it has included in the exceptions of the law of demand. So now, while writing the law of demand answer, it carries 5 rules. First of all, you have to write the statement of the law, which I have already explained in the last lecture. Second part is you should draw the schedule, that is the box that indicates the price and the demand. Third